Yo, what's happening? We back, man. Back up in here with another one of them things. Today, I'm excited because I don't even know. I didn't know what all this stuff was. So I'm gonna take it in here and show y'all. But like, I really just got like upgraded in my business, right? I really just got upgraded in my business and I didn't even know it. So Ashley, she always into something, right? So, and I was, you know what I'm saying? I ain't, you know, I know she be into stuff, but I ain't just really never, you know, said nothing to her about it. So she came in and was like, well, baby, we bought this press for t-shirts, but we never used it. So if you want it, you know what I'm saying, you can have it. So I was like, I don't know how to use it, Johnson. I don't even really want to deal with it, you know what I'm saying? But you know what I'm saying? She was like, well, whatever. She was like, you should use it. So I was like, all right, cool. You know what I'm saying? Give me that junk. Let me get the junk. So, got the press, right? It's been sitting in a studio room in there since she brought it to the house. You know what I'm saying? So, I'm looking at it. I actually went in there because we was cleaning up for the Mother's Day stuff. So, I actually went in there and got it and brought it in the man cave. So I'm bringing it in the man cave, and I'm looking at stuff, I'm like, man, what is this? What is this? So, I'm trying to upscale my business, right? I'm trying to upscale the clothing line. Mr. Ain't man, y'all know what's going on. I'm trying to upscale the clothing line, right? So, I said, well, I want to start doing some little stuff. I don't really know about the shirt pressing yet, but I was like, man, I could press up some hats because I actually got some new stuff coming out for the brand, right? And I got some hats over here, you know what I'm saying, press up these hats, right? So I was like, man, I need to buy me a hat press. So I'm looking at the attachments, I'm looking at the press. The press has some extra attachments or whatnot. So I'm like, man, what's all this stuff right here? So, man, this press got everything I need. Like everything I need to do my brand with. So let me show y'all what we got. We got the press. It's a swivel press. You know what I'm saying? So it swivel around. You know what I'm saying? Once you know. I don't know if that's the name of it, Royal Press. I don't know if that's the name of it. But, you know, swivel around. You know, you press it. Boom. Put a little pressure on that thing. You set your time up there. Set your heat. All that right there. Boom. All right, cool, right? Man, this press got these right here are plate presses. So you can press plates with these. So if I wanted to make a brand with some plates, like you got your big plate, you got your small plate, you got your big plate. You know what I'm saying? If I want to press up some plates, put some vinyl or whatever, you know what I'm saying, some transfers on some plates, I can do that. Boom. All right, cool. Got that. Come back, you got this here. This right here is the mug press. Mug, coffee mugs, your tumblers, all that right there. You can press them with this joint. So I'm like, dang, what else we got in here? So I'm looking, I'm like, dang, that's cold. Now mind you, I just looked at all this today to see what those was, because I didn't know what those was. But come over here, man, a whole hat press, bro. Man, this joint got a hat press. I was just finna go and buy a hat press. I already got one. So man, let me show you. Take my hats. I don't know how to use it properly yet, but you know what I'm saying? Some people was doing it like this. And with that little bar right there, I don't think I'm gonna be able to put it on there like that because it's gonna be pushing it out. So yeah, I need to fold it, stick it on there like that right there. Go on, press it like that. Yep, press it like that. I guess I'll figure out exactly how to do it. But this right here is the press part that goes on top of it. Go on top like that. Press your head up. Press your design on. Blah, blah, blah. Whatever you're finna do. Bam. So what I'm about to do right now is I'm about to take the t-shirt platform off because I'm not going to be using it right now. But I am about to put this hat press attachment on and yeah, put that joint on and I'm finna yeah, I'm gonna be working off of it like that. So let me go ahead, do that, hit y'all right back. Let me step back in right quick. So this particular press, it got 2 bolts on the top, which you got them 2 bolts right there. You got 2 bolts on the top, and on the bottom, you got castle nuts. You got the castle nuts that fit in there, and there's one back there. So yeah, let me go on, take these off, and do this. I pulled this off. I was finna pull this off, but the whole thing finna fall over because it's too heavy. So let me go ahead and put that attachment on here right quick, and then I'll be right back. So look at that. So put the castle nut in there. This one didn't come out because you just tighten that one back down because it got the cutout right there. So you just slide that on, slide that one on. Tighten that one down. And then you come back. I'm gonna come back and put, what's that? Fuse. I got a fuse on it. I'm gonna come back. I'm finna tighten this down. I'm gonna come back, swivel the head around, and man, I hope that don't make a difference because that junk there is damaged. Look like. See if I can puff that up or something. But yeah. Hopefully it ain't gonna, I don't think it's gonna change the shape of the head or nothing like that. So yeah, let me tighten this down. Put the head attachment on over here. And yeah, I'll be back. Yo, what's happening, man? It's your dog, Big Beelo, Mr. Anime himself. Man, I'm coming to here. Just look, I just had to make my own little commercial real quick, man. Hey, look, if you haven't already, I know y'all done seen the new face of the channel. You know what I'm saying? They got that join button up there. Man, hey, go ahead and explore that join button, man. Become a member of the BeeloNation, man. We got 3 levels, $2.99, $6.99, and $9.99. We got Nation, we got Big Nation, and we got Anime Gang. You know what I'm saying? They all have their separate perks, which Anime Gang has its own perks, and all of the perks from the other 2 tiers. So yeah, man, if you haven't done that already, go ahead and explore that join button, man, and yeah, enjoy some of these nice perks, man, that your dog gonna set out for y'all, man. But yeah, that being said, man, let's get back to the video.
Some cauliflower.
Yeah, so look what we got. I lifted it up a little bit because I lifted that up a little bit so I could get the head in and out, but you know what I'm saying, I got this up here so I can let it down, let it up, whatever. But yeah, I just told I'm finna burn the solenoids at this joint. So probably gonna have to sit it like this, hold it in place, because like I said, it ain't gonna go around the back of that bar back there.
Is it something that you have to download?
What you mean? All the heat settings and stuff right here. On the screen right here.
Oh, it's just whatever you decide to put on there. And
But they got the heat settings. I googled the heat settings today for different stuff like hats, shirts, all this stuff. You know what I'm saying? For patches, for vinyl, we got the heat settings already online. So, man, it's up. That's crazy. This woman done blessed me, y'all, with a heat press to grow my business. And I didn't even know they had all this stuff. Look at God. Huh? So, yeah, I'm finna, let me see. Bring this junk. Let me show you. Hold on. I'm trying to, man, my tripod is, this junk trash now. Let me see. No, so, right there. Put this junk, like that. It's gonna be hot, so you're gonna have to be careful. I have to be careful with it. Make sure my logo, make sure my watch card on there good, my patch or whatever I'm gonna do. Boom, drop this junk down, bam. Hit it with that, it's gonna have a time on it to do. No, I can't do it that way. Y'all see I'm on it, so. It gotta be. Yeah. Nah. Yep, you don't want to be on this mesh product. I know it's gonna melt that to the T. So, boom, boom, boom. Take this junk out. Raise it up so I can move it out the way. Boom, got you. You know what I'm saying? Whatever you got going on. So, man, I'm so grateful for that, man. Like, and like I said, the crazy part is, man, it's been sitting here for, man. 2-3 months. It's been sitting there for about 2-3 months. No lie. I ain't even, you know what I'm saying? Like, I ain't even think to move it or look at it to see what was what with it or nothing. So, the other parts, I'm gonna store them over here in the corner somewhere. Just in case I start doing shirts. Probably, I don't think I'm gonna start doing shirts no time soon. But, hey, if somebody got a little small order of shirts, you know what I'm saying? I can press up their shirts. Charge them, press up their shirts. They bring me their stuff. You know what I'm saying? You know, that's another way of income if that's what it comes to. But I ain't gonna bank on it and be like, oh yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. But yeah, so yeah, man. It's crazy, but that's where we at. So that being said, I got another part of the video that I'm gonna bring y'all in on. So yeah, see y'all in a second.